I decided to take a trip down to South Alabama from my home in Birmingham down through Marion and into areas of Hale, Perry, and Marengo counties down in South Alabama below Greensboro. This is kind of the route I took to when I was doing my roadside birding and just see what I could find. This area had all sorts of birds like the eastern kingbird, red-winged blackbirds, which I thought hung out around swamps, but they are quite at home in the fields and flying overhead. We had killdeer probably migrating between different ponds. This is an eastern Metalark with a successful hunt and is quite at home in these type environments. This is a Dixel, which is named after its call, and it prefers a wide open type environment, and it's the first time I was able to see one of these birds and film it. When taking pictures out in the field, I kept getting harassed by this hackberry emperor butterfly. It just kept flying by my head, finally landed on my lens, and I let him ride along while I took pictures. When roadside birding, you never know what you're going to find, and on this gas line road, there were lots of these golden orb weaver spiders. In the south, we have two types of vultures, a turkey vulture and a black vulture. Turkey vulture has an enhanced sense of smell. In fact, it's so good that the black vulture just looks for the turkey vultures, because the turkey vultures will find the carrion first, and then the black vulture, which is a more aggressive bird, will come in and try to take the carrion from the turkey vulture. This is a red-bellied woodpecker, a female, and its tongue is about 1/3 the length of its overall body, with its sticky barbed tongue, which runs the length of its bill over the top of his head and attaches to the base of the skull. It fishes out insects from trees and dead wood it can find. This is a beautiful open expanse area along a gravel paved dirt road with wildflowers. I couldn't resist stopping and taking pictures of some of the butterflies, but also you really never know what's going to fly overhead. You saw that lake in the background. Lots of different birds fly, across from pond to pond, so you get like these great egret that are probably flying from one pond to the next. I was standing in the road recording this picture here, and Dr. Paul Johnson of Alabama Aquatic Biodiversity Center came up behind me, and we struck up a conversation. Apparently some of these lakes are used to harvest or grow freshwater mussels, which they redeploy into the rivers to keep our rivers clean, because Alabama has one of the largest populations of freshwater mollusk in the United States. I haven't seen these grasshoppers since I was a kid, so naturally I had to include the video clip. This is a swamp in the back part of Perry Lake Park. I departed just shortly after filming this because Cahaba River Keepers had about 30 kids that were coming to help with cleanup efforts.